Okay, so the problem is digging in clay. The clay will not release from the bucket. My plan is to cut a couple links of chain and place them inside the bucket and weld them to the top and the bottom of the bucket. So I just ground off the sides here. Well, I got one piece welded, the top of the bucket there, or the end, whatever you want to call it. There's my bucket improvement. Hopefully it's going to help the clay situation. It's still hot, but I welded a short length of chain between two chains, there and there, and hopefully it's going to shake out the clay. We'll find out soon.